Welcome to Tracmor. Are you ready to streamline your asset management process? In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to create assets in Tracmor. With just a few simple steps, you can efficiently organize and track your valuable items. Let's get started. Method 1. At the top of the screen, click on the Asset drop-down menu and select Create Asset. Method 2. From the main menu on the left side of the screen, choose Asset and then Create Asset. Method 3. If you're already on the Assets page, just click the plus symbol icon in the top right corner to open the Create Asset page. Once you're on the Create Asset page, follow these steps. Enter an asset tag. This is the unique identifier for your item. You can use a serial number, a previously assigned ID number, or let Tracmor automatically generate one by selecting Auto Generate. If you already have an asset tag, simply scan it with a barcode scanner. Select Model Number/Name. From the drop-down menu, choose the model number or name. This will automatically fill in other fields like category, manufacturer, and model description. To create a new model, click the plus icon next to the drop-down or go to Asset, Create Model from the main menu. Choose Area and Location. Specify where the asset will be located by selecting an area from the drop-down menu. Then choose a specific location within that area. You can manage areas and locations under Admin Locations from the main menu. Assign a parent asset. If this item is part of a kit or collection, link it to a parent asset. Click the search symbol next to the parent asset drop-down to find and assign a parent asset. To keep items together during transactions, check the box next to the parent asset drop-down to lock this relationship. Be sure to complete all required fields marked with a red asterisk. When you're done, click Save to finish. And that's it. You've successfully created an asset in Tracmor. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking!